Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your subtraction skills? What is 6 minus 2? The answer is 4. What is 9 minus 4? The answer is 5. What is 8 minus 3? The answer is 5. What is 5 minus 1? The answer is 4. What is 7 minus 5? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 6? The answer is 4. What is 4 minus 2? The answer is 2. What is 9 minus 7? The answer is 2. What is 8 minus 6? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 3? The answer is 7. What is 6 minus 4? The answer is 2. What is 7 minus 2? The answer is 5. What is 5 minus 3? The answer is 2. What is 10 minus 7? The answer is 3. What is 8 minus 5? The answer is 3. What is 9 minus 2? The answer is 7. What is 4 minus 1? The answer is 3. What is 6 minus 5? The answer is 1. What is 3 minus 2? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 8? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 9? The answer is 1. What is 7 minus 4? The answer is 3. What is 5 minus 2? The answer is 3. What is 8 minus 4? The answer is 4. What is 10 minus 8? The answer is 2. What is 3 minus 1? The answer is 2. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is 4. What is 6 minus 3? The answer is 3. What is 7 minus 6? The answer is 1. What is 4 minus 3? The answer is 1. What is 10 minus 5? The answer is 5. What is 2 minus 1? The answer is 1. What is 8 minus 7? The answer is 1. What is 6 minus 1? The answer is 5. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. What is 7 minus 1? The answer is 6. What is 4 minus 0? The answer is 4. What is 2 minus 0? The answer is 2. What is 1 minus 1? The answer is 0. What is 3 minus 0? The answer is 3. What is 5 minus 5? The answer is 0. What is 7 minus 3? The answer is 4. What is 9 minus 6? The answer is 3. What is 8 minus 2? The answer is 6. What is 10 minus 1? The answer is 9. What is 6 minus 0? The answer is 6. What is 2 minus 2? The answer is 0. What is 10 minus 2? The answer is 8. What is 7 minus 7? The answer is 0. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's learn and grow together.